Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once more. My name is Enoch Sophia, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to make an over effect interaction on Figma. So on this video you're going to be learning how to use components as well. So sit, relax, and yeah, enjoy. Yes guys, so we're just going to dive into making the over effect interaction, yeah, on Figma. For those of you who do not know what an over effect is an action that has to do with your mouse or your mouse pointer. So an over effect happens when you place your mouse on top of an element on a website, and yeah, on a website. So that's when an over effect happens. An over effect happens when you place it on an element. So yeah, we're just going to dive into it now and just enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. So all we need to do now is duplicate this very rectangle. I think we already have it here, but we need to actually, so like, this is the normal state. We have this is just the normal state, and this will be our over state. So what do we want to make happen? What do we want our users to see when they hover on this normal state? What is the action we want them to see? So for this very over interaction, I would want it to bulge out, right? Is an effect to show that okay, this place has been hovered on, right? It's almost going to be clicked, because like you get the over effect before you get the click effect. So all we need to do now is go to our effects panel and go to add shadow. For this very one, I'm going to use this green and then reduce the opacity to 50, and then the spread to 7. So we have 4, 4, 7. I think this is all right. Now all we need to do is select both of them. You can align them. I like aligning my things. Then go to this component panel, click on it, and then you do not want to click on create components. You do not want to click on create multiple components. You want to click on create component set. So we go ahead to click that, and then yes, we've gotten our component. For mine, it is showing component 12 because like this is the 12th component I've made on this very project. I've made other interactions and I've made use of other components on this very board. That's why you're seeing component 12. If you're just doing it for the first time, it's going to show you component 1. So don't let that bother you at all. So straight up, we're going to, after doing this, we're just going to click on our prototype. Click on the prototype at your right hand side, and then click on your first rectangle. Click on it and connect it to the next one. So when you do that, you're just automatically going to see the interaction details. Remember, we are doing the over effect, so we're not going to be choosing click, no, we're going to be choosing on drag, but we're going to be choosing while overing. So this is what happens while you over. What happens while you over is the next place you're changing to. So that is why we're having this here. So you're saying change to rectangle 40, and that's what we've picked already. So we're good with that. And then you also want to choose smart animate. Do not forget, choose smart animate and then ease out as well. Yes, 300 ms is very fine. This is okay. At the time at which you're going to go from your normal state to your over effect state and back. So here we go. Once you're done with that, choosing your while overing, choosing your smart animate, choosing your ease out and your time lapse, all you need to do is click out. We're done creating this interaction. Yes, it's as simple as that. All you want to do now is replace this very rectangle. We have to delete this one here and replace it with the components we have already. So all you need to do is just copy and replace. To do that, if you're using um to do that, all you need to do is click on your alt key, right? And then click on your mouse and just drag, or you can just simply copy and paste. We have to send this to the back, send to the back, yeah, to the back, and yeah, you just have to align this. So guys, yeah, we have to do it for every other one on this page, so we get the same interaction. Please note that I am using the same space in between. So this is 1919, and same thing here. And 3, 10, we'll also adjust this guy just a little, yeah, right there. And yeah, duplicate this, same thing here, duplicate this as well. Let's make sure this 19, awesome, that's 9, much, 19, perfect. So yeah, we want to do this as well. Pick it up a little, make some adjustments, yeah. So once we've done that, let us go ahead to play this. So before we play this, I like playing my interactions on a device. It just makes it feel nice, nicer, finer. So let's just go straight up. So we would play this, yeah, and yeah, we would play this. Guys, all we have to do now is play this. You want to make sure that you are selecting the frame you want to play. So let's just select this frame. I'm selecting the frame, and we're just going to play this. And so that is going to load. Yeah, so we're waiting for that to load, so we can test. All we have just done. Yeah, so yeah, good. This is where we have our over effect. So let's try it out. Can you see, guys? Can you see? So hover on this particular element. This is what it shows. It shows you that the mouse is on it. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you've learned something new. I hope this is easy and very concise. Thank you once more. Please do well to subscribe, share my videos, please, and you leave a comment if you have any question. So you can just show me some love. Thank you so much.